Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'll be going over how to use drawing tools for technical analysis in TradingView. Okay, so this is TradingView at the moment. It's free to sign up. However, if you want to use more features, then you can always upgrade. Check out the link down below in the description for about $15 off, something like that. But okay, how to use drawing tools for technical analysis. Over here on the left side, we have many features that we can use. For example, the trend line, the ray, extended line, horizontal line, vertical line. And then we have the pitchfork, we have regression trend, parallel channel. Let me click on that over here. So this is now a channel, right? Over here, let me see. I most of the time use the trend line. Okay, this is not a trend line. Let me see over here. So this is a trend line. We go down below, we see the FIB retracement, the FIB channel. We see all other kind of tools that you can use. Personally, I don't use it, but some people do. The Elliott wave impulse. Over here we see long position or short position. So let's say that I wanna I see an opportunity. For example, here it's a nice breakout and then a retest, but again we see that it doesn't go lower than that. And then I can play around and see, okay, this is what I would like to risk and what I expect to gain. In this case, it's a 1 to 3.61 risk reward ratio trade. And the same applies for the short position over here. You can make some nice trades using the long and short position tool. Personally, let me see. No, I don't use it that often. However, I do use this one, which is the rectangle, and I use the rectangle to draw zones. So some people like to use a line for support and resistance drawing, right? Personally, I like to use zones because sometimes you see that if you draw a line, you see that it doesn't respect the line. Over here, this is a nice example. But this is my line over here. This is a straight line, and then you think, well, it crossed the resistance level, right? And then it should go higher. No, that's not the case. We just draw zones. So over here, this is a nice resistance zone. We see some rejection, it doesn't go higher than that, and then we see it slowly moves to the downside. So personally, I like to draw zones, which is in my opinion it's better, but okay, it's personal. And let me see over here, you can use an arrow marker or an arrow, so if you want to point out something, right, it's easy. And what I also use is over here the text, and you say something like, all right, this is a downtrend on the daily time frame. And some notes for yourself that you can use in which you explain why you took a specific trade. But over here you can also use this one, note, call out, comment. But I think personally I use the trend line, right, that I showed you earlier, and I also use the Fibonacci sometimes, not that often, but I do use it. And over here we have the rectangle. These are basically the indicators, the tools that I use when I use TradingView. Let me only show you the Fibonacci retracement tool over here. This is it. We have the highest point, for example, and the lowest point. Let me see if it works, it plays out. We see a retracement over here to this zone, and then we see that it goes higher, right? So you can just play around with it, right? Just an example, but these are the tools that I use myself, and you can use yourself as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.